Micro excavator. Poco poku poco.
My name is Poku Poku. I'm about 110 centimeters tall, maybe about the same height as you. And my weight is 300 kilograms, maybe about 5 times as heavy as your father. I run at 1.4 kilometers per hour. Maybe a little slower than your mother's walking pace. I'm a very tiny excavator, but I can dig a bucketful in one scoop. I'm good at working in a small space. With my operator Mokumoku on my back, I go with sounds of poku poku, poku poku. To make a flower bed in a garden. To make a water channel for a field. To dig a gully by a road. Poku poku, 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 poku poku. Chapter 1. Can I get a bigger bucket? Today, my operator Mokumoku did not go to a garden or a field. Mokumoku began to take a road different from our usual route. I could not go fast. Slowly, slowly I went. After a while, I met a big excavator. This big excavator was much, much bigger than me. It's like a giant. Mokumoku showed and taught me how big he was with a cloudy-like speech bubble. The giant is about 300 times as heavy as your father. The thing at the tip of the arm is called a bucket. His bucket was big and truly amazing. The giant could dig a lot of dirt in one scoop. The giant was very powerful. I wished I could have that big bucket. Then maybe I would be able to dig a lot of dirt. Just then, Mokumoku started to put a bucket on me. The bucket was a little too big for my size. I was so excited. I tried digging the ground with all my might, but my rear side lifted up because of the big bucket and the soil. There was no way I could lift that bucket. Mokumoku put my small bucket back in place and helped me put my rear side down. The much, much bigger excavator said,
"My rear side is very heavy, so that I wouldn't fall forward even if I dig a lot of dirt."
The rear side and the bucket need to be balanced like seesaws at parks. The big bucket was too heavy for my small body. With such a big bucket, it was difficult to move around freely, dig, or turn, and I didn't know what to do. This is the bucket that fits me perfectly. I dug some dirt there, then headed home with Mokumoku. At 1.4 kilometers an hour, taking a road different from our usual route, with sounds of poku poku, poku poku. Where are we going tomorrow? A garden? A field? Or some places entirely different? With sounds of poku poku, 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 poku poku. Chapter 1. Can I get a bigger bucket? The end. The excavator I met today. Arm. Boom. Bucket. Crawler. The rear side is very heavy, so even if the giant digs with a big bucket, the giant does not fall down. It was fun. Poku poku.